class, today I'm showing you one example of physical change. Here we have some water and I will make this water boiled.
A few moments later.
Hello class, I'm back. Now let's check the water. As you can see, the water is boiling. Water molecules transforms liquid into gas in a form of water vapor. So boiling water is a physical change. That is for today, guys. Thanks for watching.